Are you thinking about staying in Galata in Istanbul? This review is of my stay at Casa Galata 35, which is within walking distance to Galata Tower. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, we stayed at Casa Galata 35 in Istanbul. We chose this hotel for its proximity to Galata Tower and it was walking distance to many restaurants and cafes. After a speedy check-in, we headed to our room. Straight away, I was surprised with how nice and modern it felt. We had a kitchen with a tea and coffee station and a dining area. There were two bathrooms, one on the top level that had a shower. On the lower level, there was a large bed opposite the TV. And there was a second ensuite shower here. Opposite the bed was a closet, there was a safe and an iron. And I loved that the bedroom also had an AC. On the upper level, there was a courtyard as well. This room also had a lot of extras. There was a fridge, a fully stocked kitchen with everything you need to make a meal, a washing machine, extra toiletries, and a hairdryer. We only had one night stay at Casa Galata 35, but we would have happily stayed here longer, especially with all the facilities it had and its amazing location. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at Casa Galata 35. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.